Hello everyone, this is Zeenath Jaha Begum from Department of Computer Science Engineering from MLR Institute of Technology. Today I am going to discuss about the regular expression and I am going to discuss about some of the problems on the regular expressions. In the previous session we discussed about the finite automata, we discussed about the NFA, DFA, as well as we have discussed some of the conversion like NFA to DFA as well as NFA with epsilon to NFA without epsilon. So now we are going to discuss about the regular expression. So what is a regular expression, why it is going to be, how it is going to be related to the finite automata, we are going to see. So what is a regular expression is nothing but the language which is accepted by the finite automata is known as the regular expression, or it is a regular language. That means when we discuss about the automata, there are 4 types of automata which we have discussed, that is type 3, type 2, type 1, type 0. So type 3, it is nothing but that is the finite automata. So for the finite automata, the language which we are using, that is the regular expression. So now coming to the features of the regular expressions here we can say that it is most effective way to represent any language, and also the language which is accepted by the finite automata can be easily be described with the expression that is known as the regular expression. And also we can say that it is more effective way to report or represent any language. Now coming to the operations of the regular expressions, here there are 3 operations, the most important 3 operations are there. One is the union, intersection and the clean closure. Now coming to the union. So union, as we know that we have discussed in the previous subjects also. So union is nothing but combining the 2 languages. So it is denoted by what? L union M. In the same way, intersection is we generally collect the similar numbers from the languages, and intersection it is denoted by L intersection M. And in the same way, clean closure. So clean closure, it is represented by the language whole power star, L power star. So what is L power star? That is nothing but when we say about the clean closure, that is nothing but 0 or more occurrence of the language. That means we have a possibility of 0 transition as well as more than 1 transition. Now coming to the examples here. So we have some of we take a general simple example here, like write the regular expression for the language. Here write the regular expression for the language accepting all combination of A's. That means whenever we write a regular expression, it should have only with the combination of A's, because here the input symbol is given with the A only. That means the input symbol is summation A. So the combination of A's means it can be epsilon, that means null A, it can be a single A, it can be a double, 3, so on. That means whenever we write a language, the language can be written as epsilon, A, double A, triple A, so on. So for this language, we have to write the regular expression. So whenever the epsilon is introduced or whenever the epsilon is there in the language, so here the regular expression can be written as A power star. That means it has a combination of 0 A's or more A's, because here it is clearly said that it should be have the accepting all combinations of A's. So all means it can be any number of A's, it can be n number of A's also. So this is the answer for the above question. Now while coming to the second example here, write the regular expression for the language accepting combination of A's except null string. Now that means it should take the combination of A's but not a null string. Now if you see in the previous example, we have taken with the null string also. That means here it is similar to the previous example, but whenever we write a language, we should not use the epsilon. That means the language should be A, double A, triple A, so on. Because in the question clearly it is mentioned that we should not use the null string. Now for this above language, what should be the regular expression? So the regular expression will be R is equal to A power plus. That means whenever we discuss about the operations in the regular expression or the finite automata, we clearly say that in the operations, if we say a power star or l power star, that means it has the possibility to print the null string also. But when we write a power plus or l power plus, that means null string should not be introduced. So this is the major difference between the closure as well as the positive closure. Now here, coming to the third example. So when we see about the third example, what is the third example given here? Write the regular expression for the language accepting all string which are starting with 1 and ending with 0. So before writing the regular expression, it is better to go with write with the language. So if you understand the language, definitely we can go with the regular expression. So what is the question given here? That is starting with 1 and ending with 0. That means here the input symbol is 0, 1, and your language should start with 1 in the string and it should end with 0. So it can be like this. It can be like this, 1 0 0 1 0, so on. Anything, it start with 1 and end with 0. So for this above language, you have to write with the regular expression. So simply how to write the regular expression? As 1 is compulsory, you have to write, and 0 it is compulsory. Here in the middle, it can be have the possibility 0, or whenever we say or plus 1, that means 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 have the possibility it can have 1 time, 2 time, or multiple time. So for that purpose we give a star. This is the answer for the regular expression for the third one. Now in the same way, when we see about the fourth one, write the regular expression for the language starting and ending with a and having any number of any combination of these in between. So first we need to understand with the question that your language should have starting a and ending a. Starting and ending should be a, and in the middle it can have any number of combination of b. So b can, any number means it can be a 0 b's, it can be 1b, 2b, or so on nb. So for that, what is the regular expression? A and a is compulsory. Why? Because starting a and ending a, and it is said that any number of these combination. So any number of these means you can write b power star. This is the fourth example. Now coming to the next example here. Write the regular expression for the language having a string which should have at least 1 0 and 1 1. That means whenever you write the language here, at least 1 0 should be there and at least 1 1 should be there. So for that we have taken with the two combinations here. This is the first combination and this is the second combination. That means for writing at least 1 0, this is the one, that is regular expression 0 plus 1 whole power star 0, 0 plus 1 whole power star 1. That means if 0 is the first one, we can take this one. If 1 is the first one, this is the one. That means plus means either this can be the answer or this can be the answer. That means if it is either we are having 0 first or if we have 1 first, both the combinations we have written into 1. Yeah, this is the examples which we have taken in the regular expressions. So we have taken with the multiple conditions. So with the help of that, we have given with the languages. First we have to define with the languages, then followed with the regular expression. Hope you understand with the today's session. So in the next class, we are going to discuss about the conversion of the finite automata into regular expression. Thank you.